The Mazda CX-90 is proof you really can have it all in a vehicle. Premium craftsmanship, sporty performance, and a cabin that is just as comfortable on your daily commute as it is on a weekend getaway. But when it comes time to bring on the bikes, the cargo carrier, or even bringing a camper trailer along for the ride, that's where the EcoHitch comes in. Using precision engineering designed specifically for the 2026 CX-90, we created a hitch with a 100% concealed cross tube, so it stays completely hidden behind the bumper. Only the receiver is visible, preserving Mazda's clean, sophisticated design, and unlike those bulky diaper hitches that hang low and scrape over every steep driveway, our receiver is tucked up high to give you outstanding ground clearance while keeping your racks level. Now here's what really sets this one apart. This EcoHitch features the world's only 2-inch stainless steel receiver. Rain, snow, road salt, we know what they do to ordinary hitches. You get that creeping orange rust that ends up on your bumper, your gear, and even on your garage floor. Our stainless steel receiver helps stop that corrosion before it ever starts, while the rest of the hitch is protected by our exclusive Armor Pro finish. Tested for over 2,000 hours of salt spray resistance and built to last up to 8 times longer than your standard powder coat. Whether you're carrying heavy e-bikes, loading up a cargo tray, or towing a camper for the weekend, this hitch is built to do it with confidence with its estimated 6,000 pounds of towing and 700 pounds of tongue weight capacity. So if you're ready to get even more out of your Mazda SUV without sacrificing its premium factory look, give us a call or visit us at Torklift.com and secure your EcoHitch today.